can anybody with brain, you think you are talking to fools? You come to people and say, I will do only one thing. Any politician who said that must be sent to a psychiatric home.
All right, everyone, welcome to Terabyte Media. Apparently, that was Governor Soludo at a campaign for his second term re-election, where he took a jab at Obi. As we all know, Obi has always come up with this rhetoric that you only need 4 years to turn things around. Looking at the political calculation in Nigeria of power rotation, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is going to be spending exactly 4 years by the year 2027. And then if Obi wins, definitely he may be he's definitely going to conclude the other 4 years of the uh, southern portion of the presidency. But of course, if you look at that video and then you juxtapose it by the political permutation in Nigeria currently, the North uh, is in a kind of trouble zone at this moment because why they want probably a change of guard from Tinubu maybe to another southerner. But there's this permutation that and calculation that look, if the constitution guarantees you 80 years in office, why should you now say you are going to spend 4 years? Please, I want you to listen to the rest of the video. I will come back with some of my take on the matter.
Any politician who said that must be sent to a psychiatric home. Because the person must have some mental problem. When the Constitution allows you to stay up to 8 years, they come and tell us, I'm going to spend 1 term. Tell us where it has ever happened. Anybody who is saying I'm going to do 1 term is a psychiatric examination. Because you are taking everybody else to the fool. Anambra, we have advanced. There are calibers and categories of people that Anambra has since gone much higher. We are not going to go back. Street urchins. Anambra has no place for street urchins. Anambra has no place for street urchins. Members of them whose secondary school certificates are questionable. Because without school, they have no school cert. I tell you, some of them have no school cert. They want to be governor of Anambra. They want to be governor of Anambra. Anambra of the Nandaziki according to my 4 reasons of this world, of Odumegu Ojukwu, Elese Kweme, Chinua Achebe. That's the state we are talking about. I'm getting angry actually. What do you say they want to be governor of Anambra? Very high. Which one? When the GC, we don't know who took it for them. Anambra. Anyway, let's have fun.
All right, looking at that video, some people may say Soludo is not actually talking to Obi. But of course, if you look at it critically, he's addressing Obi's matter also. Obi has planned to use 4 years, that he only needed 4 years to turn things around. And then, of course, we have Atiku on the table. But of course, we all know that Atiku shouldn't be on that table because power has been zoned to southern part of Nigeria. Because the late Buhari, already exhausted 80 years of northern presidency. So why should an Atiku be on that ballot? Of course, if we narrow everything down and consider it the way things should be, and having an Obi in that ballot will mean that, okay, um, he's going to have that grace of serving 8 years guaranteed by the constitution, even if he takes the matter to court. The court will definitely tell that, look, the constitution allows you 8 years to serve as president of Nigeria. Of course, the Northerners, we have to look at these options critically. Look, it's not better to leave it to an Tinubu to complete his term, even though there's a lot of dissatisfaction from the North, considering the way and manner he has been ruling the country. But it's not better to endure and then allow for power to go back to the North by the year 2031. Now, I want you to comment, like, share, subscribe to our daily post on this matter. What do you think? Who do you think Soludo is actually referring to? Do you think he's referring to Obi? That, look, you think, or any politician that thinks he only serve for 4 years when the constitution guarantees him 8 years to serve, he needs to visit a psychiatric hospital? Do you think he's referring to Obi? And then second, do you think it would be proper for the North to choose an Obi instead of a Tinubu, knowing fully well that, look, after 2020, after 2027, or rather in the year 2031, Tinubu doesn't stand chance to be re-elected into the governors of this nation? Hit me up in the comment section, like, subscribe. This is Terabyte Media. My name is Larry. I'll see you in the next video.